anywhere from around -4 to -6 through the entire afternoon in the Fort McMurray area. There's that area of low pressure we were just making mention of, and that chance of some cloud cover remains overnight tonight. It's through the early morning hours on Wednesday that we start to see this flurry activity move in from the north and northwest, and then you can see by tomorrow afternoon and early evening potential there with around a 4 or 5 degree daytime high, and the upper layers of the atmosphere starting to warm up slightly